5 years ago when the cloud was coming, well, it was growing, and finance people were the laggards there. They didn't, I don't want my finance data in the cloud. 2-3 years ago, probably half of them were okay. I talked with a lot of my partners and folks that I know in the ecosystem, and now 90% of finance people, they view hosting their data in the cloud as more secure than being on-prem. It's remarkable how quickly it happened, but nowadays that's not an issue at all. Everybody expects to have all their data in the cloud. Even finance people, even folks in like healthcare, which is some of the most sensitive data. That's where it's going.